friends. So actually, if you just have some problems with some cameras or something like those devices, I'm just going to show how they work. So let's go. So if you just have some problems with Sony cameras, you just got to take it out like this, and with that a battery will come. It can even come from this zip right here. In the packet, one zip would be there. Here, it's there. So it can even come from. You can see it. Here's the camera. It's at the back side, and it's just right here. You just need to pull it and open it. It can even stay inside like this if you want to just well, sometimes here dot will be there, sometimes red color light will come. It's not coming now. So if it's not working, for me it's just working. For me it's working. But if it's not working, there's a blue color place. You just need to pull it, and the battery will come out. Close it, and with that a charger will come. You just need to take the battery. There will be 3 clips, three chips like this, golden color. You just need to insert it right here like this, and you just need to charge it for at least maximum 2 hours, so that it would work. So now let's see how it works. Let's insert it. For even inserting it, you need to pull the blue place from here like this and insert it, or it will not go inside. You can ask your parents for help and close it. Yeah, the red dot, red color light came. So now let's close it. It can also not come, but that's not a problem. How you open it? In the upper side, one circle color shape will be there, and it should be written on/off. You need to click that button. It will show up like this. It will not show like this. It's bright though. It's the camera that's it's very bright. So here will come clock settings and YMD, MDY and DMY. You don't need to do anything. Just go down. There will be a circle. I need to off it. Okay, so there would be a circle. You just need to click down to go down and up to go up and right to go right, left to go left, and at the middle point if you just click it will just click it, then it will do OK. So there will be a OK place. You just need to go down. After you go down, you just need to click the middle place and the camera will show up right here. It will come, and there's many settings. So let's what? Yeah, it's nice. So yeah. So upright here, another circular motion, another circle place would be there. If it's in the picture, if you want, you can do any place you want. Now it's landscape. We'll show soft snap, steady shot, smile shutter, easy shooting, and auto adjustment, program auto, movie mode, twill light, and twill light portrait. So I'm just doing with the twill light portrait. So let's do with the landscape. Show landscape. I just need to focus on one place. Wait a second. Let's go to landscape, short landscape with distance focus. I need to go a little bit backside and with the distance focus. Yeah, that's not a big difference. So now let's do with the soft snap. Shoot subject with soft background. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's real soft. So next is steady shot. That's really bright. Yeah, this would work much betterly. I think so. It's pretty bright. Smile shutter. So focus and press shutter. What do you mean shutter? Okay, so let's do it to me. Oh, just need to score the highest score. You can see right here. My score is at least like 3, third place, and the third place. First place is very nice. We can detect smile by this. Let me try to do a little bit more nicely. Okay, so I don't have much battery percentage. Let's do it fastly. Yeah. Okay. Yes. It's yeah. It's at the first place. Nice. So let's go with the easy shooting. Yeah, that's nice. Easy shooting means remaining shots, how many shots you can do. We can at least do 824 shots right now. Auto adjustment. It just doesn't show any light. That's nice. Program auto. Yeah. Same. What's this? Yeah, movie. Oh, we can just record with this. And if you just want to stop again, yeah, you can record. Quit light. What? That's easy. So we have completed it, and if you just want to see your photos, please subscribe until I hit 1 million subscribers. I'll show how to see the photos. Bye, and please subscribe.